Welcome to Spoken Reviews, home of the Spoken Reviews. Today, guys, let's talk about the wind noise issue that I'm experiencing with the Tesla Cybertruck. All right, guys, so I'm going to play the wind noise, and you tell me what you think after you hear it. All right, guys, that's pretty crazy, right? That is extremely loud and not normal, not within spec, not how any vehicle's made, and it's because of the way the door was put on incorrectly, leading to the glass not being aligned. And again, guys, the whole door is off, so the wind is coming, hitting this, coming in the actual vehicle, and making a really loud noise. So once the door is fixed and this is flush against it, it'll be a smooth surface and it won't happen, but it needs to be tight. So again, this is just an error on their part. It should have been caught by them. I will say I wasn't a fan of one of the people, because I pointed out the door was off, telling me that was within tolerance and that it would settle in because it's a new bolt or latch. That doesn't make any sense at all. This was put on incorrectly and it should have been caught. The whole door and the whole window structure is all connected, which is again causing this extremely loud wind noise. All right, I'll kind of zoom in. You guys can see how it's raised there, and that's because the door is not aligned. So again, this front door is not aligned at all, which is here, messing up the connection, right? So this isn't aligned, the whole door isn't aligned, so the glass isn't aligned. The glass isn't aligned, the wind is coming right through here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this quick review of the wind noise. If you have a similar problem with your Cybertruck, let me know. Please leave it in the comments. I really want to, see how you were able to deal with it. Did you put a service ticket in? Did you have to wait a month to get it in, or were they able to get you in earlier because it's a safety issue and it can cause water getting in there? Anyways, guys, love the vehicle, but this is the big issue with it. Couple other cosmetic things that we can wait on. I'm okay with waiting on the cosmetic things, but the things that are mechanical safety and that can cause overall damage and limit the use and functionality of the truck need to be addressed immediately. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this, sub to the channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.